What's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the burly bartender, Rings. Just wanted to give you a different look. Today I'm here on the rooftop. Normally I'm downstairs. Come check me out. Hit follow, like, subscribe, and come see me. I'm right in downtown Silver Spring off Georgia Avenue. The address is 8229 Georgia Avenue. All right, I'll see y'all. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna do a Sour Apple Martini. You got some vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got some triple sec. 1, 2. Then you got the sour apple pucker. 1, 2, 3. Then you got some lime juice. You got a little bit of sour mix. Give it a nice shake. We're gonna garnish with a nice little cherry. Voila. We got a sour martini from my man C-Dog. He worked hard for us every night.